This is Cleftiko Bay. Cleftiko Bay is one of the most iconic spots in Milos, and it's famous for its pretty rock formations and sea caves. Most people visit Kleftiko on a boat tour, since everyone is saying this spot can be reached only by sea. This in fact isn't true, and in this video I will show you how you can reach Cleftiko Bay by foot. Not many people know, but there is a hiking path which will take you to Cleftiko. You can find the beginning of the hiking path on Google Maps as Access for Path to Cleftiko Beach by Hike. To get there you will need a car. It's only 24 kilometers from Adama, but it will take you about 50 minutes to get there. This due to the last couple of kilometers, which are mainly dirt roads that aren't great. Okay, so we just arrived at the start of the hiking trail to Cleftiko Bay. There's supposed to be a sign over here, but I think they removed it. You can see the trail behind me. It looks okay for now, and it's good because Emil and I are both wearing our sneakers. So let's check it out. So after about 15 minutes of walking, we can see the top from Cleftiko over here. After about 20 minutes, the trek becomes more steep down, so be careful because some parts can be very slippery. Also, don't forget to enjoy the view, because it's amazing. Okay, so we're almost there. You can see Cleftiko's behind me. And well, this last road it's quite steep and slippery, so be careful. So we just arrived at Cleftiko and just immediately jumped into the water because it's just so pretty. You can see how clear the water is here. And Cleftiko is just around the corner from where we're sitting right now. Since there's not a beach around here, we just put our stuff back on the rocks and we're just going to chill out a bit here. It took us about 50 minutes to get to Cleftiko, including a couple of stops to take some photos. Keep in mind that the way back is a bit heavier because you're constantly walking uphill, so make sure you save some water because you will definitely need it. Overall, the hike is quite doable and also easy to follow since you will see some white marked rocks now and then. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Bye!